Ready? Start. The present article is to encapsulate the position of law with respect to the question of jurisdiction, place, venue arising in contractual disputes having arbitration clauses. Stop. It is not uncommon and rather is considered to be a fancy to have the arbitration clause in the contracts for the adjudication of disputes. Stop. However, on many occasions it is seen that parties entering into such contracts agreements are not wary of the consequences resulting out of such clauses, and even to an extent that only a copy paste job is done while drafting these clauses without even considering the requirements of the parties entering into such agreements. Stop. Para. The contractual disputes arising between the parties may get resolved by way of a mediation, conciliation, or arbitration, wherein the parties have agreed to adjudicate upon the disputes by way of these modes. Stop. However, there are circumstances wherein one of the contracting party is a foreign national, and therefore, so far as Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1908 is concerned, such disputes are termed as disputes arising under international commercial arbitration. Stop. Para. The growing avenues of resolving the disputes have given birth to many institutional arbitrations along with ad hoc arbitration, and many a times parties in dispute prefer to get the disputes resolved through institutional arbitrations only. Stop. Para. However, even before the parties could take a step towards resolving their dispute, a common problem that they are faced with a problem of jurisdiction. Stop. It is imperative to note that there has been a dissenting view of the honorable courts on the issue of jurisdiction, wherein while deciding the case of Union of India versus Hardy Exploration and Production India 2019 (13 SCC 472), the Honorable Court made a differentiation between the venue of arbitration and juridical seat of arbitration. Stop. The Honorable Court, while deciding the Hardy Exploration, stipulated that a chosen venue could not by itself assume the status of the seat of arbitration in the absence of additional indicia. Stop. Whereas the larger bench of the Honorable Supreme Court, while deciding BGS SGS Soma versus NHPC Limited, suggested a bright line test for determining whether a chosen venue could be treated as the seat of arbitration. Stop. The Honorable Court prescribed that a chosen venue for arbitration proceedings would become the seat of arbitration in the absence of any significant contrary indicia. Stop. Para. Therefore, as on date, the law as it stands with respect to the jurisdiction is that in the cases of international commercial arbitration, if the seat of arbitration is India, then Part 1 of the Act shall apply. Stop. The seat normally carries with it the choice of arbitration in a particular country. That choice of seat gives implied submission to the laws of that country. Stop. However, as a word of caution, the parties entering into the agreements should deliberate upon the personal requirements before venturing to incorporate the law governing jurisdiction dispute resolution clauses. Stop over.